Okay guys, we are at the peak. This is the last chapter of ecology, environmental issues. Let us start. Okay, first of all, the introduction. Environmental Protection Act was passed in 1986 for particles less than 2.5, which are considered to be harmful. The next topic is electrostatic precipitator. This is a diagram of electrostatic precipitator. Here in the reading which I underlined is, which I colored in reading, is dirty air which passes to the electrostatic precipitator, and this one is discharged corona and this one is negatively charged wire. And when it passes to this is dust particle and this is clean air goes out, and this is the collection plate which is grounded. See, 99% of the particles are removed from this method, and electrode wire is of 1000 volts produced corona, that is this one, discharge corona, in the sense electrons, which releases electrons which will attach, the electrons will attach to the dust particle, giving them negative charge. Collection plate is grounded, which attracts the dust particles. Grounded in the sense it, because it attracts the dust particles as it is charged, so the plate is grounded. Velocity of the air between the plate must be low enough to allow the dust particles to fall. Next part is scrubber. I wrote the points above, the points of the scrubber. That is, in scrubber, SO2 is sulfur dioxide is removed and exhaust passed to the spray of lime or water. Exhaust is passed to the spray. See, this is the structure of scrubber where sulfur dioxide is removed, and the exhaust, that is dirty air, is passed to the water or lime spray. Let us read something about the note which is not related to scrubber. It's another one. First of all, platinum, palladium and rhodium catalyst, mixture of them, are fitted in automobiles to reduce the emission of harmful substances. Unburned hydrocarbons are converted to CO2 and H2O, and CO and NO are changed to CO2 and N2. This is different part and this is different part. Motor vehicles must use unleaded petrol, since lead inactivates the catalyst of this catalyst. Okay, sound greater than 150 decibel is considered to be harmful. According to PIL, that is public intention litigation, which was filed, this kind of norm was produced. That is type of vehicle, 4-wheeler, 3-wheeler, 2-wheeler, and norms are Bharat stage 4 for all. Cities of implemented is, first of all, 4-wheeler whole country since April 2007, and 3-wheeler 1st of April 2017, and 2-wheeler from April 2017. And another one, Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act was passed in 1981. So this thing is related to air prevention and control. Next one, Water Prevention and Control Act was passed in 1974, in which, according to the survey, 0.1% of the impurities make domestic sewage unfit for human use. Those 0.1% over here, yes, includes suspended solids, colloidal material and dissolved materials. What do you mean by suspended solids? Suspended solids are sand, silt and clay. Colloidal materials are fecal matter, bacterial, cloth, paper fiber, and dissolved materials are nutrients, that is nitrite, NH3, phosphate, sodium and calcium. What is BOD? Biological oxygen demand. Now let us study about the case study of this part. Case study of wastewater treatment. See, first of all, wastewater treatment was initiative which was taken in the place called Akata, which is situated in north coast of California. Here a group was formed which is known as FOAM, Friends of Arctic March. Okay, case study for plastic waste. Ahmad Khan, a 57-year-old guy, gave his worker a wage of rupees 0.40 per kg, and after that he changed his wage to rupees 6 per kg, as he found a material known as polyblend, so increased the rate which he gave to his workers for collecting plastic, and laid 40 kilometers of road which was made by polyblend. Let us see what is polyblend. Polyblend is a fine powder recycled from plastic and mixed with bitumen, which is a kind of material used to build a road, which enhance bitumen's water repellent properties, so the road increases the lifetime of the road. Now let us study the case study of organic farming, which is the guy called Ramesh Chandra Daga, who is a farmer from Sonipat. Just remember that, it's enough. Now, what is ozone? Ozone is the upper part of the stratosphere. National Forest Policy was published in 1988. Slash and burn is also known as Jum cultivation, and JFM, Joint Forest Management, in 1980. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Now let us come to the question and answer part, which you need to solve. This is the first page and this is the second page. You also need to solve this, including section B. Here, this, and well, your work is done. Thank you for watching. These are the answers to the questions, and oh yeah, thank you. Okay guys, if you like my video, do hit the bell icon and subscribe button so that you will be notified with all upcoming videos, which is fully free, and enjoy unlimited lectures. Thank you.